Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. I am from NextGen Research Training and Consultancy. This is Dr. Radiba with you. The topic for our discussion today will be how to publish your article in high impact journals without worrying about the publication cost, or in very simple words, without worrying about your article processing charges, which is also known as APC. Okay, so you know that APCs can vary from around $150, and they goes up till $10,000. But most of that, if we take an average, usually the APC ranges from $2,000 to $5,000 range. Now, these charges are, a lot for researchers to pay, especially those like who are from less developed countries, developing countries, or those who do not have support from their institutions to pay the APCs. So in this guide, in this basically video, I would like to share with you some effective techniques through which you can publish your research in very reputed journal of Elsevier, Ville, PLOS and more, and that too without paying any ABC. Okay, so first of all, I would like to share you a directory with you. So let's open this. Uh, let's type over here doag.org. Once this is opened, I would like to search journals without fees. So I click over here, and then I want to you can also sort it, if you want, you can also limit it to some field. For example, I want to limit it to economics. So it is giving me 875 index journals, which are without any fees. And here you can see this is the first journal, and this journal is basically having no APC and no other charges. Similarly, the other journal could be tourism critiques, and so on. So you can get a lot of journals. Basically, these filters can help you to find the list of journals which you can publish for free. So this is one way to look into those journals which can allow you to publish free and having an APC. To check the credibility of journal, we are going to have another video, or maybe we can discuss that within any of our workshop, that how to check that this journal follows a particular ranking or a particular status. For that, we can have another session. For now on, we are just worried about, or we are just trying to cater how we can publish without paying an APC. The first method could be, you can use this directory and look for the journals that charges no APC. Okay, now you also know that some of the journals, such as the big universities, such as University of Toronto, gives 100% waivers, um, to publishers. So, for example, this is an agreement of University of Toronto, so we can always check for the journals. Um, they have around 100% waivers with 8 publishers. So you can always search for the journal if you are associated with this university, or if you have an author, co-author associated with university, with this university, and you can search for the journal which you want to go for, and you can publish in that journal without paying an APC. So this could be another method. The third method could be that most journals offer waivers or discounts on publication fees for authors that belong to low and middle income countries. Usually, people who are from low income countries, like some of the people from African regions, from Nigeria, Uganda, and these countries, Sudan, these countries basically have total APC waiver. So I was reading this article too, and in this article as well, it is clearly mentioned that Ville has a very well established APC waiver policy, which supports the research publication in around 125 countries. In this context of the policy, corresponding authors from lower middle income countries receive either a full or a 50% APC waiver based upon research for life criteria, and so on. You can see that mostly journals such as Bailey offer the APC waiver, so you can always check that if you belong to low or a middle income countries, that you can avail this. Okay, now another method that I mostly use is to publish in those journals which have hybrid modes. For example, if I go to Springer Journal Finder and I click on it, and it asks me to give me the abstract. For now on, I'm not sharing the abstract. I'll just share the title, for example, FinTech and AI, and I would like to search journals that will publish in this. So I get lots of journals in front of me, and I'm going to choose those journals that have hybrid and also those journals that have open call for papers. So these are really good journals for which you can go for. So in that way you can select a journal, and you can publish in them on hybrid mode. So for hybrid mode you don't need to publish by paying any APC. Okay, now there's one very common method, and it really works. That is the method of negotiation with the journals. And once you have sent an article and they find that it is a good article and it has gone through the process, um, it's always a good idea to talk to the journal editor and request them to please waive off the fee, or at least give us some 80 to 90% discount. And you can always show your affiliation as a student or an author that belongs to lower middle income country, or low income country, or you can share if you are going through any financial crisis or health issues, or you are unemployed. So all of these reasons can help you to negotiate with the journals and publish without paying an APC. Some of the academic societies also offer significant discounts on article processing charges for the people who have registered with them, and they are the members. So if you have any society affiliated journals, you can choose from those journals as well. Okay, then there is another method, that is editorial board. Usually get this discount. So editorial board members are very important for the journals. So what they do is that the journals offer discounts on APCs to its board members, and it is a way to show them appreciation, to value their services. So they do have like APC waived off for one or two articles in particular journals in which they are editors. So if you have your co-author who is in the editorial board of that journal, you can always co-author with him and have some intellectual contributions of him into your article, into your research, and you can go for publishing the article without paying an APC. Uh, it's not just for editors, by the way. Sometimes, when you are reviewing for a journal, like for you have reviewed a lot of articles, 10, 12 articles. So in that way, and you're a peer reviewer, so in that way, some journals do offer discounts on APCs as a token of appreciation to its peer review. So you can go for that as well. There are also lifetime memberships and the subscribers discounts. Subscriber discounts means that some journals, offer discounts for its researchers who are linked to that journal in a way that they have subscribed to that journal. They are, making some contributions to that journal in any way. So that is called a subscribers discount. Then there are lifetime memberships as well, which can also help you to publish your article without paying an APC, such as PeerG, PEERJ, PeerG. which allows you to have unlimited publications with discounted fees. So these are some of tricks, methods through which, if you cannot afford an APC and you want to publish in good journals, you can go for that. So that is all. This video was being recorded from the platform of NextGen. We will now resume with our workshops after the Eid break, and I'm very excited to meet you in person as well. Thank you.